Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Huobi. First, you will need to create and verify your account, which is a straightforward process. Next, we will explore the different ways to fund your account, whether with traditional currency or other cryptocurrencies. Then, I will guide you through selecting your desired digital asset on the spot market and placing your buy order. Finally, we will cover essential security practices to keep your assets safe. Funding your Huobi account is flexible, offering several options. You can deposit traditional currencies like US dollars or euros directly using a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Alternatively, you can transfer existing cryptocurrencies from another exchange or a personal wallet. Huobi also provides a peer-to-peer or P2P platform for direct transactions with other users. Remember, for fiat deposits, identity verification, also known as KYC, is typically required. Once your account is funded, navigate to the spot trading section. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, such as Bitcoin versus Tether. You have two main order types: a market order, which executes immediately at the current best price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price for your purchase. Enter the exact amount of crypto you want to buy, review all the details, and then confirm your order to complete the transaction. Protecting your digital assets is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for an extra layer of security. Create a strong, unique password with at least 8 characters, including numbers and special symbols, and change it periodically. Be vigilant against phishing scams. Always bookmark the official Huobi website and avoid clicking suspicious links. For added protection, use a secure internet connection and consider a virtual private network, or VPN, when accessing your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.